Hey everyone, I'm here to show you a great home that we have that's on the market right now, 391 Winchester Place in Hunt Club, Governor's Point area, in the popular Wekiva area. So I'm going to take you through this house and tell you a little bit about it. It is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, newly renovated home. I'm going to turn this around so everybody can take a look and see what's happening here as soon as I can figure out how to do that. There we go. So as we come in, you've actually got two patio spaces. We've got one front nook here, and then we'll have one in the backyard. I'm just going to take you through, guys, and show you what this awesome townhome actually has to offer. So as soon as we come in, we have our guest half bath here. Again, everything's been newly renovated, new toilets, new vanities, new paint, new lighting. Come in to the left here, we've got an awesome kitchen. It's been updated with all new cabinetry. Eat-in nook. It does have washer and dryer inside. That's actually going to be right off to the side of your dining area there, and you can see your first little patio area here. All new subway tile, stainless steel appliances, soft close drawers. The beauty of Facebook Live is we can demo everything. Open to a vaulted ceiling family room. We've got a downstairs master, which is always popular. So again, you've got a slider that goes directly out to your back patio. And then you have the split vanity area. So in the bathroom, you have the updated larger vanity for the women. Walk-in closet. And then we've got the other side of the bathroom here with all new cabinetry. And they did a great job on the master shower here, tile all the way up to the ceiling. So it is an awesome townhome. Right now it's currently listed at $234,000. The roof was actually just put on last month, which is covered by the Homeowners Association. So that is something that you don't have to worry about. All exterior and roof is taken care of. So this becomes either a secondary bedroom up at the top of the stairs here, or it could be bonus space. We are counting it as a bedroom just because it does have a closet there, so a lot of folks can use it for that. And then upstairs, you've got the updated guest bath. Again, tile all the way up to the ceiling. Nice new granite vanity. And then the third bedroom that actually has the front view of the property. So, thanks for coming along on the tour. We're gonna take you through some of our other homes that we have listed in Central Florida right now. So you'll see me popping up on everyone's feed, and hope you enjoy it. If you have anybody who's interested, you can always give us a call. My number direct, 407-462-9915. Thanks for watching.